Hello, my name is Apurva Samanto. I welcome you to LearnerBuddy. Today we'll learn how to install UiPath Community Studio. To install UiPath Community Studio, we need to first open any browser. I have opened Chrome. Then we need to go to one UiPath portal that is known as UiPath Automation Cloud. I will put the link of UiPath Automation Cloud in description. Once we will be going to log into UiPath Automation Cloud, UiPath provides us several options to log in. We can go with Google, we can go with Microsoft, even LinkedIn, and we can even go with SSO. So for me, I will go with Google. Now I need to put my email ID. I need to put my password now. As I have two-step verification on for my Gmail account, I need to pass it also. Once we are successfully logged in, we will be landed on UiPath Automation Cloud portal. Here, there are different segments and sections, but we need to go with this section only. Design your workflows quickly and easily section. Here, we need to hit on download option and it will be downloaded. But to reduce time, I have already downloaded UiPath Studio Community. So let me close it. And let me close Chrome as well. Why I am closing Chrome is once UiPath Community Studio will be installed, then it will automatically add some add-ons and extensions to different basic softwares like Excel, and it will add some extension for Chrome. So now let us install UiPath Studio Community. Now, UiPath welcomes us to the UiPath setup. So, UiPath provides two options. One is for quick, what is recommended by UiPath for the community users, and the second one is custom, which is recommended by UiPath for the enterprise and advanced user. So, the basic difference between quick and custom are, so for quick, UiPath will install this product with some default setting, and for custom, UiPath will go with some advanced features like we can go with for the single user, means the current user, and it can also go with all the users which are logged into the system. So for us, we will go with quick one, and we need to just accept these terms and conditions, and we need to click on the install button. So it will now install UiPath Community Studio package, and for now I am just fast forwarding this one. UiPath has completed the UiPath Community Edition setup. Now we need to click on Launch UiPath Studio. So now UiPath is presenting us how to sign in. So we will be going with the service URL, that is cloud.uipath.com. Now we will click on sign in. So now we will be going back to the browser, that is Chrome. So we'll be logging with the same email ID. I need to put my password again. I need to pass the two-step verification as well. Yeah, so it says we need to open UiPath. I'm clicking on yes, and it's connected to my tenant that is connected with my email ID which I had put there. So now UiPath is asking me if I want to go with UiPath Studio or if I want to go with UiPath Studio X. So UiPath Studio is for the basic developers or the advanced developers, and UiPath Studio X is for the CTN developers. So as we will be going with the advanced developers or basic developers, so we will go with UiPath Studio. So now we are all set to use our UiPath Community Studio for any basic to any advanced level of development. So we will be more familiar with UiPath Studio and its different segments and part of it in the next videos. Stay connected with LearnerBuddy to learn together with LearnerBuddy. Thank you.